Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about CSS. So in this tutorial we will discuss basic things about CSS and how we are going to use that CSS. In the year 1996, W3 Schools announced style sheets. Its features are: it separates the presentation and contents of the HTML document. It provides numerous attributes to create dynamic effects. So it is simple and it is reusable. The advantages are the separation of concerns. Basically, CSS allows you to separate the structure of HTML of a web page from its presentation. This separation makes it is easier to maintain and update a website because the changes to the design can be made without altering the underlying content. It means you can use the paragraph tag, you can use the list item tags, and you can able to use the button tags, and whatever the things you want, you can able to separate. Consistency. CSS enables you create a consistent look and feel across an entire website by defining styles in one central location and applying them consistently to various elements. For example, a one change could affect to the entire web page. Responsive design. CSS supports responsive web design, making it possible to create websites that adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Basically, if you are going to use a mobile phone, it is a smaller size, and if you are using a tablet PC, it is a different size, and if you are using a PC, that is different size, and it can able to adapt based upon your device settings. Efficiency. CSS allows you to apply the same style rules to multiple elements simultaneously. This efficiency reduces code redundancy and makes it easier to maintain and update your website. Modularity. You can able to split into different modules by using the classes and IDs. So that if you are having a website and it will be having a different modules, and you can able to modularize that particular website content. Browser compatibility. CSS makes the browser compatibility. For example, you are using a Internet Explorer, you are using a Mozilla Firefox, you are using a Google Chrome or Opera. There are some browsers which are relevant to the Android and related to the iPhone. So based upon that choice, it can able to compatible all the browsers. Accessibility. CSS provides the means to enhance the accessibility of the web content. You can use CSS to define accessible color schemes, apply appropriate font sizes, and control the visual presentation of the content to improve readability for the user with disabilities. For example, a user want to read paragraph content in one color, a user want to see the text in different color, and he want to see the headings in one color. So that kind of accessibility is there by using a CSS. Performance. By separating the content from the presentation, CSS can help to improve the performance of the website. Smaller CSS file load faster, and using the CSS control layout instead of relying on the HTML tables. Or other less efficient methods, you can create faster loading of web pages. The main advantages are animation and interactivity. You can able to create a different type of animations for buttons and for layouts and for drop downs. So you can able to use this one. So there is no need to use the Adobe Flash or JavaScript for animation in interactivity. So for that validation and other things, you can able to use the JavaScript. Global changes. One change can able to make the global changes that makes you the less time and effort. It saves the time and effort. Printing styles. CSS can be used to create print style sheets which enable you to control how web pages are formatted when printed. This can be valuable for generating printer friendly versions for the web content. So while if you are going to use a control P, you can able to print some content of the web page. So that also enables you to print in the A4 format. So now let us discuss what are the different types of style sheets are there. The types of style sheets are inline style sheets, document level style sheets, internal style sheets and external style sheets. Let us discuss one by one. So today we will discuss about inline style sheets. So now inline style sheet is the simplest way to attach a style tag. Just include a style attribute within the tag along with a list of properties and their values. For example, h1 style equal to color which is blue, and now font style is italic, background color is yellow, and it is going to show a text I am blue. And if you would like to include for the paragraph tag, it is going to show paragraph style, color is blue and font size is 16 pixels. That is the size of the font. It is going to show this is a larger text. Let us discuss this by an example. Now we are having a 6 types of headers. Now h1 to h6. Now each and every header is enclosed by h1. Now I am going to type the h1 tag and I am going to type I am header 1, and now I am going to close the tag backslash followed by h1. In a similar manner, what I am going to do is I am going to copy the same text and I am going to paste it here, h2 for h2 and h3, h4, h5 and h6. Now I am going to rename this particular thing h2. I am header 2 and I am going to write this header 2. Header 3, this is a hi, I am header 3, here header 3. So hi, I am header 4, here header 4 and here also header 4. Whatever the tag you have opened, it should be closed by the same number. h5, header 5 and h5 is going to be closed, h6 and here header h6 and similarly header h6. So now save the document and go to this particular thing and refresh. So here what I am going to do is here I am going to use this particular content among the header. So here I have written the 6 types of headers, and now what I am going to do is I am going to format this particular headers. So now here we have specified the style color is blue and font style is italic, background color is yellow. So now we would like to change the style sheets and by adding the different colors. So we will change yellow and here I am going to write the background color is red. So now here the same thing I am going to paste. So here I am going to write green and the background color is yellow, and for header 4 I am going to write red and the background color is yellow, and header 5 I am going to write the color care and the background color is green, and header 6 and I am going to write the different color, so which is yellow, and here it is going to background green. So now here I am going to change the font size of 32 pixels. So now I am going to save the program. So now here I am going to open the content of the web page. So now here if you are going to see, if I am going to zoom this one, so here the first color it is showing is blue, and the second one it is going to show in yellow and the background color is red, and here it is going to show in green and background color is yellow, and here it is going to show in red and background color is yellow, and here it is going to show in color cyan. So now here it is showing yellow and background color is green. So now instead of cyan I type the color light green. So if you refresh, so now it has changed to the color light green. So in this manner, you can able to use a inline style sheets. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.